what the fuck? Would that be it? Why are you joking on my party?
Call me at 82. No block calls, text email. Okay. Five. Why does this bitch have 82?
Well, let's get some fucking game going.
Like,
do I get some kind of a minor discount?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi?
Hi, I was looking at your, Backpage.com ad.
Uh-huh.
I want to know if you're available tonight.
Sure, what time to come by?
Wait, is it in-call or out-call?
In call?
Now, can you just, like, brush me up? Well, what exactly is the difference between in-call and out-call?
In calls, you can come over here and see me. Out calls, I'll go over there to see you.
Okay, well, this is just in-call, so do you want me to go over there, and, do you want to come to me? Because, yeah, I'm not sure.
It's just in call, that means you will need to come to me.
Okay, well, see, the problem is that I'm 15, and I only have my permit, so I can't drive yet.
Don't ever call here again.
Are you sure?
yo, let's go get some beef, bro. Let's go get some beef, bro.
I am on